Today I thought I should do a burp compilation since I haven't done one since New Year's Eve of 2023. Mmm. Nice. That was rough at first, but then the epic comeback happened. I came back big time. Just going big. These are just high quality right now. Like, I just can't miss right now. I really can't. Mmm. 10 out of 10 on that one. What do y'all think? Mmm. Man, I just can't miss right now. I already said it once, but I'm going to say it again. Damn it, that cut off. Fuck. I just took a water break because hydration's key for high quality burps. I'm just fighting back when I feel like I'm losing on a burp. I fought back hard on that one. Man, these are amazing burps. I haven't had a bad one yet, except for that one that cut off. It pissed me off. That was just more of that was a type of burp where it's like an exhaust. You know, I just let that one out. I have no excuse for that. Man. Fuck! I hated that one so much. That might have been the worst one of this video. I'm going to end it off on that one. That was a mixture of just power, sound, and fighting back big time. We're not going to end it off on that last clip. No. We're going to do better than that. Solid, solid. Again, that's just an exhaust. I'm just letting that out. Damn it. I really just don't like those burps where it just feels like I'm letting it out instead of really just having a powerful one. Like, I feel like it's like, I hate it. That was good. That was good, but that was really airy. If you heard that, that sounded really airy. I'm gonna break out the sound level decibel meter and see if I'm not. I just don't have my my fastball today. Let's see if that's the case. If you want a sign that I haven't used this much lately, look at the dust that's built up on this thing. Unacceptable, but yes. Guinness Book of World Records measures in dBc, so we're switching right to dBc and the max sound. Uh, 119. We usually go over 120 easily. What is that? 119.2. Reset. Oh my God. Terrible. 113.1. This is terrible. This is terrible. I better get a sound above 120 sooner or later. God. Water break, water break. We're getting there. We're getting there. 119.7. We are getting there. No, we're not. Why did I say that earlier? We're not getting there. This is driving me nuts. It really is. Why can't I just burp over 120? What is this? We are like so close. I just can't break the 120 decibels. I can't eclipse 120 right now. But we are so close. To add insult to injury, 119.9. Oh, that pisses me off. All right, we're breaking out the performance enhancers. I'm gonna drink an ice drink. These are pretty good for burps. I would drink a Coke Zero, but I want to ration my Coke Zero right now. That's all I needed. Sparkling ice drink. Good stuff. I still got it. But I definitely need to improve. Definitely need to improve. I used to be able to do low 120s a lot back like a year ago, a year or two ago. I need to get back to that. I need to get the ball rolling here. But yeah, that does it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed that compilation. I hope it makes up for me not posting since New Year's Eve of 2023. Cheers.